What's good, guys? I'm back for another video. Today I'm going to be making some slime. If you have not seen my previous video, I made some green slime. I've got it just here. I'll be showing you all the slimes that I make at the end of the video. But yeah, so we're going to start off. I've got 460 little millilitres of glue. They're quite tiny, if you compare that well to my hand. My hand isn't that big, but it's quite small compared to my hand. But yeah, we've got 60 millilitres, so I've got 4 pots there. I'm going to use one for one slime, one pot for one slime. These were £4.19 off Amazon, or £5.19 off Amazon, something like that. But yeah, not Amazon, eBay, sorry. But yeah, first off, you want to get a cup of water, and I'm just going to move you down so you can see what I'm doing. There we go. So I've got a cup of water here. I'm going to get a spoon and some borax. I've got 85 grams, and I'm going to add 1.5 spoons. 1.5, and then you close up the borax because it is a chemical, so you need to be careful with that. And then you want to mix it around, watch it doesn't spill out of the cup. Make sure that really is dissolved in there. Before you put it in, you can give it another mix. Put it to one side and grab your pot. Now get one glue. I'm just going to open the glue up. There's a little cap on it. So just take off the little cap, and you want to just put the, I'm not going to put the whole thing in, but I'm going to put probably about 3/4 of it in. And then I'll put the lid back on, and I'm going to put that one to one side so I know I've used that one. Now I'm going to get my shaving foam, and I'm going to add a little bit of that. I don't know how many that is in squirts, but hold it for about 2 seconds or 3 seconds. That's the ratio of glue to shaving foam. You can use shaving gel, that's what I've used, because eventually it turns to foam, as you can see there. And when it mixes with the glue, if you have a blue shaving gel, it does make your glue and the mixture go a light blue, but you can add food colouring. So there you go, that's that. Now I want an orange slime, so I'm just going to add some red paint and some yellow paint and then mix it. Don't add too much red in if you want a light orange slime. Hopefully I've got some yellow left. Yeah. There we go. There's the yellow. Okay. So now mix the colour in. Hopefully it turns orange. Because I do have orange food colouring, but I went a bit wrong when I did it before with the orange food colouring, so didn't want to use it. Needs a bit more red, I think, maybe. Just a little bit. Get that out, there you go. Okay. That'll just make it a little bit darker. Yeah, okay. So that's sort of a yellowy, orangey colour. I'm just going to add a bit more red and I'll come back. Okay guys, I've got a really nice orange colour there. So now I'm just going to mix that around a bit more. Okay, so now it's time to bring back your borax solution. Give it a little more stir. Okay, then you want to grab a spoon, drop it in, mix around, and it's all ready. Turn straight into the ball there. Just need a bit more, half a little spoon there. Get that off the spoon there. Just going to get the spoon out of the way. Going to use my hands a bit more. Play with it in your hand. It's still quite sticky, so I'm going to put it back in there. Okay, now I'm going to add another spoon. Play with it again. It's not going to be as sticky this time, but it still might be, so be careful. I'm going to add one little half a bit more. If you do use the borax on your hands, make sure to wash your hands after, because yeah, it's a chemical. So, and there you go, orange slime right there. I'm going to make probably 3, maybe 4 more, and I'll come back to you and I'll show you what my slimes look like. Okay guys, I've made 4 slimes. I'm really happy about, they're really good. So I'm going to show you them right now. So the first one, I made on video. You would have seen the others time lapse, but what I made properly on video was the orange. If these do get a bit sticky, just add a bit more borax solution. I'll just add a little bit more, because I did only add 3 spoonfuls each to these, around 3 or 4. So yeah, once you've added that, it does make it better. But yeah, there's that one. Let's see if it can. This one's really soft, and I like quite soft slimes. But it does do that. Can it make a slime swirl? Yep, it's like a little poop. And then the second one I made, you would have seen on a time lapse. I think, what one was it? I think it was the purple next. Or the purpley bluey coloured one. Just add a little tiny spoon of the borax solution to make it a bit less sticky. They're all very soft that I like. If you do want a hard slime, obviously don't follow this recipe. But I've made 4 that you would have seen, the orange one on video and the other 3 time-lapsed. But you can see I'm doing it all the same way with the glue and the shaving foam. Nothing, I'm not adding, like stopping the video and adding something else. It's all in a time-lapse that you can see the whole thing. And even if you don't believe the actual video, the time-lapses aren't edited at all. So you can see that it's not fake and that it is real. If you do want to get these, you can order one. One of them makes 2 of these size slimes. So the orange and the purple I made with one glue, and the other colours, the yellow and the red, a reddy dark pinky colour I made with the other second bottle. So now I've still got 2 left to make 4 more slimes another day. So I might save that for another video. But yeah, can this do a slime swirl? Yep. Let's see, can it do? Yep. Oh, this is my favourite song. If you're from my school, nicotine, heroin, morphine, I'll never be the same. Yeah, I like this one. So that's the purple one. And then next I did the yellow. The yellow we sort of really like greeny colour. This one's quite a bit sticky, so I'm going to add a little couple of spoons quickly. Suddenly! Yeah, that's better. This one's very soft. This one I think is probably the softest. I haven't actually felt these since I made them. I put them straight in the pot and then moved on to the next one. So, oh, this is a good one to do that with. Slime swirl. It's you, babe. Slime swirl. Okay, so that's the yellow. In another video, me and Tommy will probably do a video on these properly. But I'm just quickly showing you these just before we end up the video. Then this is the red. Very soft again. Guys, I would not recommend using food colouring because it did ruin like 2 of my slimes. The only one I used a drop of colouring in was my old blue one that I'll probably show in another video properly as well. So that will be posted probably in my next video, so check that out when it's out. Stay tuned, please subscribe if you want more slime videos because I really am getting into the slime now. So look forward to seeing more slime videos. Yeah, it's good to do the clicky thing with as well. And lastly, slime swirl. Oh no, it fell, but I did make one. But yeah guys, so that is going to end out the video. I'm just going to align all my slimes whilst outroing. If you have enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe. Stay tuned for more slime videos because there's going to be much more of these on the channel soon. There we go. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Subscribe, like, comment if you want more slime videos. and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!